Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Welcome back to our science online classes. As I told you in the last session that we will start in our next section our second lesson, that is what are things made of. Okay. Now students, what you will do? Now you will take your canopy along with you, but when you will open, when I will give you instruction to open, that time only you have to open. Till that time you will not open the textbook. Okay? Understood? Now see. In this lesson we will see what are the things that we use at home, at school, while playing, everywhere. Okay. Also we will see from where we get these all materials, and now we will see that materials will get from plants and animals. Also we will see what are the materials we are getting from the earth. Now observe these pictures. What is this? Yes students, what is this? This is a table. Now next, what is this? Cooking vessels. Now next, what is this? Eraser. Do you have eraser with you? Everyone, try to hold your eraser in your hand. Yes, hold your eraser. Okay, everyone have eraser with you? Come on, take your eraser and hold in your hand. Now tell me, when you hold your eraser, how do you feel? Yes, can you tell me? How do you feel? Can you feel soft? Yes students? Yes, you feel soft when you touch the eraser because eraser is soft. Now imagine you are holding the table. How you feel? You feel hard. Now see about the cooking vessels. When you see at the cooking vessels, how they are looking? They are looking shiny. Yes or no? So things look different and we feel also different. Today we will see some things that we use at our home. We use several things in our daily life. They may look different and they may feel also different. Now see the chair. Everyone have chair, table, cupboards, doors at your home. How you feel when you touch? They are hard. Now when you see the bottles, vessels, how they look? They are shiny. Yes or no? Now see this coconut. The shell of coconut from the outside, when you touch, how you feel? The shell is rough, and might be you are having at home, especially girls are having like teddy bears. Okay, you do have at home cushions, pillows. Yes or no? When you touch those things, how you feel? They are soft. Yes or no? Okay. Now see this, rubber bands, friendship rubber bands. When you hold in your hand, these are stretchable. How they are? Stretchable. Like rubber bands and friendship bands are stretchables. Now we have seen so many different material that we have at our home. How they look? They look different, and how they feel? They feel also different. Have you ever thought that what are the things made of with this all material? Okay, so different things are made of different material. Today we will see what are those material. Okay. The materials with which things are made of. First, wood. Okay. We have seen the chair at our home. Example I had given, chair, table, cupboard. Yes or no? So these all are made of with wood. Yes or no? Now next, metals. You have seen different types of pipes, taps. These all are made of with what? Metals. Okay. Next is rubber. You see the vehicles. Vehicles do have tires. So how you will make that tires? With the help of rubbers. You do have erasers with you. It is a regular. You use regularly eraser. Yes or no? When you will write in your notebook, if you will do any mistake, you will rub with your eraser. So how we made that eraser? With the help of rubbers. Can you see the plastic? Plastic. With the help of plastic, what we will make? We'll make plastic bottles. With the help of plastic, we'll make plastic bottles, plastic bags, etc. Okay. Now next, glass. Okay. What we will make with the help of glass? We make mirrors, glasses, tube lights, these things. Okay. Last is paper. Okay. What are the material made up with the paper? Now you can see the textbook. Okay. Textbook, notebook, newspaper, all these things are made up with the paper. Yes or no? So we get many of these materials from nature. Now we will see one by one. Okay. Now what are the materials we are getting from the plant? Now we will see. See, what is this? Teak tree. What is this? Teak tree. One type of tree. Okay. When we cut this tree, we get the wood from this tree. Yes or no? Okay. And we get timber. T-I-M-B-E-R, timber. Timber means also called as a wood. We get timber from tree like a teak tree. Okay. From where we get timber? From teak tree. Okay. And what we will do with the wood? So you can see in the picture, we'll make the furniture from the wood. Yes or no? Yes, carpenter makes furnitures. What he will make with the wood? Table, chair, door, cupboards. These all material made up with the wood. Understood everyone? Okay. Now we'll move to the next. Now can you see the rubber plant? See, this is a rubber plant. Rubber is collected from rubber tree. So actually this rubber is made of a liquid form that we get from rubber tree. Rubber can be stretched easily. Okay. If you have rubber at home, once you try with your rubber can be stretched easily. So that is why it is used to make the tires and erasers. Okay. Now we will see the next. What you can see? The wood. The wood from bamboo tree and also pine tree. Okay. This both the trees are, how they are? They are very soft trees. So it can be made into watery paste with the help of this bamboo tree and pine tree. Then what we will do? Then we will roll into the sheets to make the papers. So have you understood? I'll repeat again. These woods are bamboo tree and pine tree. How they are? They are very soft trees. Okay. So it can be made into watery paste and rolled into the sheets to make the paper. Understood? So from where we get the paper? From bamboo tree or pine tree. Understood? Now we'll move to the next. Now again we'll see some materials that we are getting from the plant. See here, cotton plant. You can see the plant that we are getting from that plant. Cotton we are getting. Okay. So what we get from cotton plant? First we'll get cotton, then we'll make we also get fibers to make cloth from plant. How? We get fibers from cotton only. Yes or no? So with the help of that thread, we'll convert into those cotton threads into cotton cloths, or some may make bags also. Even we use some shirt, t-shirts, especially in the summer season, what we use? We use cotton t-shirt or shirts because it is very good in summer season to wear cotton cloths. Okay. Now we will see. Before that, I would like to tell you about some other plants also. Okay. We get jute from the jute plant. Jute is used to make the bags and robes, and the fibers from the flax plant are used to make linen cloth. Now we will see the materials obtained from the animals. What are the materials we are made of with the animals? Now we will see. Can you see which animal is this? Yes students, tell me. Which animal is this? Sheep. Yes or no? Sheep. Okay. So, what we get from sheep? We get wool from the sheep. What we get? We get wool from the sheep. So, what we will do with the wool? We make sweaters. What we make? Woolen sweaters. When you use the sweaters in, yes, tell me, in which season you will use? Yes students, tell me, in which season you will use sweaters? Yes. Summer? No. Rainy season? No. Winter season? Yes, correct. You use the sweaters in winter season. Everyone used to wear the sweaters. But have you ever thought how this sweater has made up? Yes, today I hope you understood. The sweaters are made up with the wool, and that wool we got from sheep. Understood? Yes. Now, some animals like camel, cow, zebra, okay, these animals leather, with the help of their skin, we make some material like leather shoes, leather bags. Okay, animals like camel, cow, zebra, these animals' skin we use to make the leather items. You can see that leather shoes and leather bags. Okay, and some other things also made up with the animal skin. Understood everyone? Okay. Now, I will ask you the 2-3 questions what we have learned till now. Okay. My first question. What do we get timber from? Tell me students, what do we get from timber? Yes. Tell me. Yes. Where do we get timber from? Has I shown you the picture also? Yes, from teak tree. Do you remember? Try to recall your memory. From teak tree we get the timber, wood. With the help of wood again we convert into furniture like table, chairs, cupboard, doors, etc. etc. Okay. My next question is, what is rubber made from? Tell me, what is rubber made from? Yes, rubber is made up from rubber plant. Yes or no? As I told you. Okay. Now we'll move to the next. Now, as I told you, we will learn what are the materials that we are getting from the earth. Now we will see those. See the sand. You know sand? I hope everyone like to play in a sand. Yes or no? So, with the help of sand, these items we can make. See the first, that is glass. That is glass. Second is sunglass. Third is mirror. Also we can make the bulb. These all materials are transparent. Okay. And these are made up with the sand. So, we make glass from sand. How we make glass? From sand. Keep in your mind. Okay. Also we make like pot, bricks and tiles with the help of clay. What is the clay? Clay is a one type of soil. With the help of that clay, we can make the pots, bricks and tiles. Understood, students? Now we'll move to the next. That is metal. You can see metal. We use metal to make vessels, bodies and engines of cars, buses and aeroplanes. And also will make some machines, electronic items, wires and many other things we make with the help of metals. And also like iron, aluminium and coppers are made of common metals. Okay, what are the common metals? Like iron, aluminium and copper are some common metals. Also gold and silver are metal used to make the jewelry. From the metal only we make gold and silver. So we all get all these metals from the earth. Understood? From where we get? We get from the earth. Now we will see one more thing that we get from the earth. We get petroleum from deep inside the earth. Okay, I'll show you in detail one short video later on. Okay, now see. What is this? This is a petrol and diesel station. Okay, we get petrol and diesel which are used to run vehicles. Why we use petrol and diesel? To run the vehicles. So, from where do we get that petrol and diesel? From petroleum. We also get kerosene, wax, Vaseline and other things from petroleum. Understood, students? One more thing we'll get, again some things we'll get from the petroleum, that we will see. Petroleum is used to make plastic. What we use with the petroleum? We make plastic also. Okay, which have become very important as a wood and as a metals. You know, everyone like to play with the toys. Okay, so toys are made with the what? Toys are made up of plastics, and you can see also the straw. See, not only toys and straws, we make several things like nylon cloths, ropes, toys, bags, TV and radio cabinets, parts of cars and many other things with the plastics. Okay, so now plastic do not root like plant or animals materials. So that is why plastic is very dangerous. So what they will do when we throw the plastic after using, so it stay in a soil. It stay in a soil as it is. That's why because of the plastic our soil can pollute. Okay, so that is why plastic is dangerous. Okay, so the place like Delhi, they use plastic ban. The plastic bags is banned. What they did? They have banned on the plastic. So what is mean by ban? To say that something is not allowed. Okay, and so that's why plastic is very dangerous. That's why what they did in like place of Delhi, what they did, they have banned on the plastic bags. I hope everyone understood. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Now I will show you one small video.
What are things made of? My desk is made of wood. The wood is smooth. My scissors are made of steel. The steel is shiny. My window is made of glass. The glass is clear. My shirt is made of cloth. The cloth is soft. My cup is made of china. The china is fragile. My house is made of brick. The brick is heavy. My sweater is made of wool. The wool is warm. My kite is made of paper. The paper is light. My dog's coat is made of fur. The fur is fuzzy. I like his fuzzy fur.
Okay. You have seen this video. So in this video what you have seen, some material that we have at home and what are the things made of, what are the materials of made of, and what is the source of that material, means from where do we get to make that materials. Now what you will do, students, you will have a look around your house. Now you have to observe properly whatever things are there around you. You have to make one list of things that you have at home. What you will do? You will make one list that you have around you at your home. For example, we'll go with the chair. Okay, if you have wood chair, so you will write the name of chair. Beside that, what are the material are used to make this chair? What are the things are used? We use wood. Yes. And what is the source of that wood? From where do we get that wood? As I told you, try to recall your memory. From teak tree. Yes or no? Like this, in that way, as I explained you all these things, what you have to do? You have to make the list of things and the material from where you get and the source of that material. You will make these list. Okay? Understood? Now what you have to do? You have canopy with you? Yes? Now take out your canopy. Now we will read the lesson. Okay? Open your canopy. I'll give you 1 minute. Yes, come on fast, make it fast, open. Yes, and what we are going to read today? Our second chapter, page number 9. Open the page number 9. Yes, I hope you all have opened the page number 9. See the second chapter. Now what you will do? You will keep the finger on each and every word.
What are things made of? Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain that the things around us are made of different materials. State where we obtain these materials from. Describe the properties and uses of these materials. Mind opener. Look at the following things and feel them with your fingers. A table, a cooking vessel, an eraser. What is the difference between the three?
Things that we use. We use several things in our daily life. They may look and feel different. Some are hard and shiny. Some are hard and rough. Some are soft and can be stretched. They are different because they are made of different materials. Wood, Metal, rubber, plastic, glass, and paper are some materials used to make different things. We get many of these materials from nature. Some of them are obtained from plants and animals, and some are dug out from the earth. Materials from plants and animals. We get timber, wood, from trees like teak. It is hard and strong. It is made into furniture. Rubber is made from a liquid that we get from rubber trees. Rubber can be stretched easily. It is used to make tires and erasers. The wood from bamboo and pine trees is soft. It can be made into a watery paste and then rolled into sheets to make paper. We also get fibers to make cloth from plants. We get cotton fibers from the cotton plant. We get jute from the jute plant. Jute is used to make bags and ropes. The fibers from the flax plant are used to make linen cloth. We get leather from animals. We also get wool and other fibers from animals. Leather and wool are used to make clothes, bags, shoes, and other things. Materials from the earth. We make glass from sand. We use clay to make pots, bricks, and tiles. We use metals to make vessels, bodies, and engines of cars, buses, trains, and aeroplanes, machines, electrical items, wires, and many other things. Iron, aluminium, and copper are some common metals. Gold and silver are metals used to make jewelry. We get all metals from the earth. We get petroleum from deep inside the earth. We get petrol and diesel, which are used to run vehicles, from petroleum. We also get kerosene, wax, Vaseline, and other things from petroleum. Petroleum is used to make plastics, which have become as important as wood and metals. We make several things like nylon clothes, ropes, toys, bags, TV and radio cabinets, parts of cars, and many other things with plastics. Plastics do not rot like plant or animal material. This is a useful property because things made of plastics last for a long time. But there is a danger in using plastic things. When we throw them away, they stay in the soil and pollute it. So we should not use too many plastic things. In some places, like Delhi, the use of plastic bags is banned.
So students, now what you will do, your today's homework is, you will read the full chapter once again and you will underline the words those you feel hard. And what I had given homework, today's homework is, you will have a look around the things that you have around you at your home. Okay, see the things, write each and every material name and write from where we get that material, how they made and what are the source of those material. Understood everyone? Yes, you will do the homework. Now we will see some animation part and we will solve the exercise in next section. Till that time, eat healthy food, stay at home, take care, bye bye.